This is the Zeera Wireless 3-in-1 Travel Charger from Zeera Wireless. Welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel if you're new here. Glad you're here where I make content around tech, accessories like this one, and my experience with it to try to help you out. This video is all about my unboxing and first impressions of this Zeera Wireless 3-in-1 Travel Charger, where you can charge your AirPods, your Apple Watch, and your iPhone or any other device that has wireless charging on this 3-in-1 pad. I've been using this product for the past few days now, and so far, no complaints. It's been giving me a really good experience. I can charge all three of my devices, and it's just an easy recommend so far. Two things that I've noticed so far in my experience with using this product, one you might have already noticed, is the use of magnets, so that it's just easy and intuitive to take with you, or to just collapse it into what is just a square and have it take up less space wherever you put it, whether that's on your desk, in your backpack, in your suitcase, wherever. It just collapses just as easily and stays that way because of the use of magnets. So that's a big win for me, and it's also very satisfying. Did you hear that? Like, so satisfying. The second thing that I appreciate Zeera Wireless including in this product is USB-C. So they use USB-C to power this product, and that's how the rest of your devices get charged. And I really appreciate that it's USB-C because then it's universal. Now, I've been charging my iPhone, Apple Watch, and my AirPods all through the night, so I don't really have any worries about fast charging or anything like that. But if you are wondering, the MagSafe charging of this mat, which is this one right here, is capable of outputting 15 watts, which is really good because it's equivalent to Apple's own 15 watts of MagSafe charging. So it's nice that they were able to match Apple's own standards. Now this one on the far right is capable of 5 watts for your other Qi-enabled devices, which is plenty for your AirPods. And this one is just a regular Apple Watch charger, which charges at the same speed as the regular Apple Watch charger, which is really good. And something to note is that this also does come up like this, so you can have it on the bedtime mode or something like that. I don't use that mode personally, so I don't know what it's called. But you can have it standing up like this, and you can check your time or whatever you want to check easily because it's standing up like this. Zeera Wireless also included 2 LEDs to indicate charging status for the left side and right side of this device. So if you're charging something on the right side, like on the MagSafe side, this LED will turn green, and if you're charging something on the left side, this LED will also turn green. And when there's nothing charging on it, it'll just be red and be indicating to you that nothing's charging on each of these pads, which is a really good thing. I really like visual indicators of these type of things because I don't want to have to touch my iPhone, like tap to wake or something, just to see if my iPhone's charging, or I don't want to like tap my AirPods, which is also a little bit hard to do, just to see if it's charging. So these LED indicators are very helpful in terms of what's charging and what's not. So this was just a quick unboxing and first impressions of this 3-in-1 travel charger by Zeera Wireless, and so far so good. But I do just want to quickly mention that they did send this product to me. So if you do decide to pull the trigger and buy this product, definitely use the link in the description below, as it's an affiliate link, which means that I'll receive a commission on each sale, and that too at no extra cost to you, which is awesome. I really like these affiliate type of programs. So again, if you do decide to buy this, use the link in the description below. If you do want to see a full-on review of this travel charger, definitely let me know by leaving a like on this video and commenting down below what exactly do you want to see. But until then, thanks to Zeera Wireless for sending out this product, and thank you for watching and liking and supporting this channel by subscribing and sharing with your friends and family, and continue to do so. If you know anyone who wants a 3-in-1 travel charger, definitely send this video to them. It would really mean a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.